I've got a fantastic selection of designs that range from lacy sweaters to breezy tank tops. As always, links to the pattern kits can be found in the description box below. First up, we have the Inslee Rose Lace Sweater by Journey Chanel Designs. This beautiful lace sweater is made with Color Theory yarn, which adds a lovely, vibrant touch to an intricate lace pattern. This sweater is perfect for those cooler spring evenings when you need a light yet stylish layer. Next, we have the Coastal Belle Crop by Evelyn and Peter Crochet. This crop top is made with Lazy Days yarn, giving it a soft and comfortable feel. The Coasty Belle top is perfect for pairing with high-waisted jeans or a skirt for a casual beachy look. This versatile top will be a staple in your summer wardrobe. Moving on, we have the Breezy Days Daisy Tank by All About Ami. This daisy tank is made with 24/7 cotton yarn, making it breathable and perfect for hot summer days. The daisy motif adds a playful touch to this simple and elegant design. This tank top is great for a day out in the sun or a picnic in the park. Next on the list is the Catalina Tee by Stephanie Aaron. Made with Kobu yarn, this tee is soft, lightweight, and perfect for summer. The Catalina tee features a relaxed fit with beautiful stitch details that make it both comfortable and stylish. You can dress it up or down for any occasion. Another great pattern is the box top by Woods and Wool. This top is also made with Kobu yarn, which makes it super comfy and ideal for warm weather. The box top has a modern boxy shape that looks great on all body types and can easily be customized in different colors. The Sandbar top by Knits and Knots is another fantastic option. Made with Kobu yarn, this top features a delicate textured stitch pattern that adds a touch of elegance to your summer outfits. The Sandbar top is perfect for layering over a camisole or wearing on its own. Last but not least, we have the Flow top by Knits and Knots. This is made with Lion brand Pima cotton yarn, giving it a luxurious feel and beautiful drape. The Flow top has a simple, chic design that's perfect for any summer occasion. Don't forget to check out the links to these patterns in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crochet inspiration. And let me know which top pattern caught your eye.